Honor just changed the foldable game. For years, foldables promised the future, but they were always too thick, too heavy, too fragile. And the software never quite right, until now. On August 28, 2025, Honor revealed the Magic V5, and it might be the first foldable that finally makes sense. Last year's Magic V3 shocked the world at 9.2mm closed and 4.3mm open. This year, the Magic V5 goes even further, just 8.8mm closed, 4.1mm open, and weighing only 217 grams. Inside that slim body is a massive 5,820 milliamp battery, thanks to silicon carbon technology. Thin doesn't mean fragile. The hinge was completely redesigned, so strong it broke a Guinness World Record by holding 104 kilograms of suspended weight. With IP58 and IP59 protection, this foldable is built to last. It's not just tough, it's beautiful. The Magic V5 comes with two OLED LTPO displays, both capable of 5,000 nits brightness, both Dolby Vision certified, and both stylus ready. The outer screen is 6.43 inches, the inner screen stretches to 7.95 inches, and the crease is barely visible. The camera system makes a bold statement with its large bump, but it delivers where it counts. A 50 megapixel wide, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. Add in AI powered tools like portrait retouching, studio lighting, reflection removal, and 100 times zoom, and you've got a powerful all-rounder for photography and video. Where the Magic V5 really shines is software. Most foldables wasted their big screens with stretched apps and black bars in videos. Honor finally fixed it. You can now run 3 apps side by side, add a floating window, drag, drop, and resize with ease. For the first time, multitasking on a foldable feels natural. Performance is flagship level, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Honor promises 7 years of updates, and AI is deeply integrated. Google Gemini is built right in for real-time translation, live camera recognition, and photo analysis. Honor's own AI adds features like Magic Eraser, closed eye correction, and professional-grade portrait enhancements. Battery life is another win. In real tests, the Magic V5 delivers more than 6 hours of continuous browsing. Charging is equally impressive, up to 80% in under 30 minutes, with 66-watt wired and 55-watt wireless speeds. Of course, all of this innovation comes at a cost. The Magic V5 launches at €1,999, firmly in the premium category. Early buyers will get €300 off, plus gifts worth more than €300, including the Magic Pen, earbuds, and a fast charger. Still, for most people, this price is out of reach right now. But as foldables mature, the hope is simple. Prices will come down, and one day soon, this level of technology will be available to everyone. Foldables used to feel like prototypes, thick, fragile, more of a concept than a daily driver. The Honor Magic V5 changes that. It's slim, it's durable, it lasts all day, and the software finally makes sense. This is the closest we've ever come to the perfect foldable. 2025 might be the year foldables finally deliver, and 2026 the year they go mainstream.